everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys inserts that we will be getting this Sunday, February 23rd, 2020. Now I always Google, inserts whatever day it is, and the website that I really like the most is SundayCouponinserts.com. So this is a site that you're going to look at. Now it looks like we're going to be getting 3 inserts, 1 Retail Me Not, 1 Smart Source, and 1 P&G. So kind of keep in mind what you guys going to get. I know for sure what I get, and I know for sure what I won't get. But I just say, as you guys coupon more in the future, try to pay attention to see what you guys get, because you never know on that. But here is the Retail Me Not. So it looks like we're getting a Dove coupon, Dove body wash, Dove beauty bar. Buy one, you get one liquid hand wash free. We have a Dove bar, $1, Dove body wash, $1. Sorry you guys, I've been up since 6 this morning. But a lot of Dove coupons. I'm not going to go through them because they're pretty much all the same kind of Dove coupons. You guys can go to the website and check it yourself if you want to see it also. But here we got Hefty. We got $1 off the trash bags. We have $1 off the tall kitchen trash bags. Preparation H. Schwarzkopf Got to Be. I haven't seen a Got to Be coupon in a while, but it looks like it's probably $3 off of 2. And then there's a $2 off, not sure what that is. Suave body wash, off $1 off at 2, not the greatest. Tresemme, $2 off, and then we have $5 off at 2, and $4 off at 2. Vaseline, $2. I've been seeing a lot of Vaseline $2 off coupons. I think it's because it's kind of dry season, so we got that. And then there's Vichy for $5 off of that. Smart Source, we're getting Act, $1, $1, $1. Airwick, $3. There's an Oil Twin, buy one, get one free. Leave Liquid Gels, $4. Alka-Seltzer, $3. Alka-Seltzer, $2. Aspercream. Cheerios, Colgate, $1, 50 cents. CoverGirl, we got $3. Another $3. $2 off CoverGirl Lip. Fiji, General Mills, Gold Bond, $1.50. Another Gold Bond. Sorry you guys, I'm like just really tired and I need to go to bed. Gold Bond. So a lot of Gold Bond coupons. Icy Hot, Kleenex, Palmolive dish soap, you have a 50 cent. Quaker's instant oatmeal, $1.25 off of any 3. CPAC, Toffee Fay, 50 cents. Wonderful Halos, 50 cents. Zest. So it's not a lot of the, I'm going to say it, not a lot of great inserts, you guys. So it's up to you what you want to do. And then here we got the P&G. We got $1 off of Always, $1 off of Bounty, $1 off Cascade, 50 cents. Charmin flushable wipes, 25 cents. Toilet paper, $1. Crest 3D, Crest. So it looks like we're getting 50 cent Crest. Oh, those are kids. Where's the regular? Don't know. Here we got Crest toothpaste. Okay, Crest mouthwash, $1, and then it says Crest toothpaste, and I'm assuming it's $2 off any 2. I'm assuming what it usually is. Dawn Platinum, Febreze, buy one get one free. Fixodent, Gillette disposable razors, 3. Gillette razor, 2. Hair food, 4 off of 2. Head and Shoulders, 2. 3 off of 2. Herbal Essence, 5 off of 2. Love's Diaper, $1.50, you guys. $1.50. That is a great coupon. I think usually those are $4.97 at Walmart. So yeah, Metamucil, Microban, Mr. Clean, Olay, we got $1. Olay Eyes, Olay Serum. I shouldn't be sitting in the dark doing this. Old Spice, $1, $2. Oral-B Kids Toothbrush, another 50 cents. Pampers, we got 3 off of 2. Pampers Easy Up, $2. Pampers Loves or Wipes, 50 cents. Pantene, $5. Pantene, $1. Then we got a normal, $5 off of 3. Styler, $2. Pepto, Puff Singles, Pure Shave, Gel, Secret, Swiffer, Tampax, $1. Venus, $3. Venus, $2. Vicks, and waterless products. So that's what's coming out in the inserts. I'm gonna say, it's good to have some P&G ones, but I am not a big fan of the rest of the inserts. I don't know. I'm probably just going to get a couple newspapers in my area. But that's pretty much it. I'm not going to get a lot of newspapers because I feel like it's kind of slow. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on Sunday during my couponing haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.